If you've ever walked the halls of the Texas Capitol, chances are you've run into Sheriff Dennis Wilson pounding the pavement on behalf of people with serious mental illness. As the Sheriff of Limestone County and an active leader in the Sheriff's Association of Texas, the Texas Association of Counties, and the Texas Council of Community Centers, Wilson proudly points to his role on the board of the local mental health authority as proof positive that he intends to be part of the solution, and he calls on you to join him.
I do what I do because I want to make a difference. I love law enforcement. I love to help people, and I can't think of anybody that needs help more than the people that are suffering from mental health illnesses. But I'm exposed to some of the greatest professionals that work in the mental health field that I've ever met in my life. I now have an opportunity to see what's going on across the state of Texas as a board member for the Texas Council. I see many and have met many great people and see the advancement and the improvements, and the goal is united to improve the services that we provide across the state of Texas for those who richly deserve those services. And I believe that we can see a tremendous amount of savings in the cost of the services that we have to provide for those that are mental health if we could get some help from the state. It's critical that we get those inmates in their correct treatment programs and facilities, not county jails. We feel like that the state health system could stand some enormous improvements, and we believe that the way to do that is to educate our legislators and let them know that we have a serious problem going on back home in our county jails. My hope for the future is that as a group of professionals that we can bind together and we can convince our state legislators that we need to fund the mental health system in Texas, focus on the person that we're after, and that's the person that has a mental health crisis or mental health illness, and that we provide the proper and appropriate treatment and program for them so they can be successful and contribute to our society. And the state of Texas can jump up and be the leader that we should be for others all across the United States to follow our patterns and follow in our footprints, not us following them.
Join Sheriff Wilson by contacting your legislators to tell them increased access to essential mental health treatment is a priority in your community. For information on the Community Center system of care for people with mental illness, visit www.txcouncil.com.